Good morning, class. My name is Arpit Surve and hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to start a new lesson in English, Reena and Rishi, under the topic Myself and Family. So, here we are going to read a short story of Reena and Rishi. So, start with this is Reena. She is 6 years old. That is Rishi. He is my brother. He is 4 years old. So, here we can see we had Reena. रीना शी इज 6 years old. रीना 6 साल की है. एंड ऋषि हर ब्रदर, ऋषि उसका भाई जो कि 4 साल का है. ही इज 4 years old. Reena and Rishi's father is Mr. Mohan Patel. He works in an office. Their mother is Mrs. Mala Patel. She is a doctor. So here Reena and Rishi's father, his name is Mr. Mohan Patel. Mr. Mohan Patel, he works in an office. So why we use an before office? Yes, because office starts with O and O is a vowel letter. So, and their mother is Mrs. Mala Patel. So Mrs. Mala Patel is their mother and she is a doctor. So वो डॉक्टर हैं. उनकी जो मदर है उनका नाम है मिसेस माला पटेल. शी इज ए डॉक्टर. सो हु इज ए डॉक्टर? यस, डॉक्टर इज ए पर्सन हु क्योर्स व्हेन वी आर सिक, व्हेन वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर. जब हमें बुखार आता है, जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हम किसके पास जाते हैं? डॉक्टर के पास. सो मिसेस माला पटेल, शी इज ए डॉक्टर. Reena and Rishi, let's go home. It is time for lunch. Reena and Rishi and their parents go home. Reena and Rishi's grandparents come for lunch every Sunday. So here, Reena और ऋषि के grandparents every Sunday, हर Sunday को उनके घर पे आते हैं lunch के लिए. So here, Reena and Rishi, let's go home. It is time for lunch. और रीना की मदर बोल रही हैं, Reena and Rishi, let's go home. चलो घर चलते हैं. It is time for lunch. Mother washes Rishi's hands. She combs his hair. Reena, wash your hands and get ready. Remember, Rishi, you must be good today. So here, mother Rishi के हाथ धोने में उनकी मदद करती हैं. Rishi's hands, she helps in washing Rishi's hands and she combs his hair. और उनके hair को comb करती हैं, उनके बालों को comb करती हैं. Reena, wash your hands and get ready. She is giving instructions to Reena that wash your hands. अपने हाथ धो लो. She remember and she said, remember Rishi, you must be good today. और वो ऋषि को भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रही है कि आज आपको अच्छे से बिहेव करना है. Okay. Why we should wash our hands before taking any lunch, dinner or taking any meal? Because जब हम खेलते हैं, जब हम दूसरी जगहों पर जाते हैं तो हमारे हाथों में जर्म्स और बैक्टीरियाज लग जाते हैं. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो वो अपने माउथ के थ्रू हमारे अंदर चले जाते हैं, जिससे हम बीमार हो जाते हैं. इसलिए हमें हमेशा हैंड वॉश करना चाहिए बिफोर हैविंग अवर लंच, डिनर और एनी काइंड ऑफ मील. ओके. ग्रैंडपा एंड ग्रैंडमा कम. रीना opens the door. She hugs them. Oh, it is time for lunch. So here, grandma and grandpa came. Grandparents came. Reena opens the door. Reena door open करती है and she hugs them. और वो उनको गले लग जाती है. Hugs and she hugs them. उनको गले लग जाती है. Oh, it is time for lunch. So here Reena's mother is saying, ये तो lunch का time हो गया है. They all sit at the table, but Rishi is not there. But where is Rishi? I think he has gone to wash his hands again. So they all sit at the dining table. वो सब dining table पे बैठ जाते हैं. But Rishi is missing. Rishi miss हो जाता है वहाँ. So where is Rishi? So grandfather पूछ रहे हैं, where is Rishi? Rishi कहाँ है? I think he has gone to wash his hands again. So mother is saying, I think he has gone to wash his hands again. शायद वो फिर से अपने hand wash करने चला गया. How strange. There is something under the table. It is sitting on my feet. Is it a dog or a cat? So here grandfather is finding something strange. उनको कुछ अजीब लग रहा है. There is something under the table. उनको लग रहा है कि टेबल के नीचे कुछ है. Is it a dog or a cat? So he feels like वो कोई dog या cat है जो उनके feet पर बैठा है. Grandpa reaches under the table. He pulls out something. So now grandpa reaches under the table. वो टेबल के नीचे जानते हैं और कुछ तो पुल करते हैं. And what he find out? Hello grandpa, hello grandma. So look, Rishi was sitting under the table. So he wishes, hello grandpa, hello grandma. So this is how he greet his grandparents, saying hello. Rishi, why are you under the table and why your face is so dirty? So here Rishi's grandfather is asking, why you are so dirty? आपका face इतना dirty क्यों हो रहा है? And why you are sitting under the table? आप टेबल के नीचे क्या कर रहे हो? Oh, I was going to wash my hands, but then I wanted to have some jam. I went to the kitchen and had lot of jam. I was dirty, so I hid under the table when you came. But I am so happy to see you. So here, Rishi said, I was going to wash my hands. So he was going to wash his hands, but suddenly he feels like he should have some jam. So he went to the kitchen and had lot of jam. So he went to the kitchen और उसने बहुत सारा जैम खा लिया जिसके कारण उसका फेस डर्टी हो गया. So his face was so dirty. So that's why he hid under the table. But I'm so happy to see you. But now he's so happy to see his grandparents. वो बहुत खुश है अपने grandparents को देखकर. Oh Rishi, we are glad to see you too. So here Rishi's grandfather is saying, हम लोग भी बहुत glad हैं, हम लोग भी बहुत खुश हैं आपको देखकर. So what is the meaning of glad here? Glad means happy, खुश. So this is how our story ends.